Hey guys, what did you just watch there on Umkhoka the Case? No wait, am I the only one who's left confused, or we're all as a country on the same page? Look, I'm not complaining, the episode was great, I really enjoyed watching. It made me realize how loyal I am to Umkhoka and that I've never missed an episode. In fact, I believe that I would have narrated the story to Vulindlela way better than Mabusi did because I knew each and every scene of it. But yeah, a sequel up. What I want to talk about here on this video is the confusion that the episode created. I really don't understand how did we come from Vulindlela's naming ceremony, which was joyful and uniting to Omthembu, to Spamala sending Inkomo Gumete, Mabusi going back to her marital bed, those kinds of moments where everyone was happy and everything was going well, to last week Friday's episode. No man, that was so confusing. One thing that I know for sure is that I cannot stand Umkhoka coming back to hold Mabusi again. Imagine having to see Omthembu sad again because Mabusi tried killing herself again. I know man, it can't be. So, those who did watch the Friday episode of the show will know that Mabusi tried killing herself towards the end of the episode. I really hope that was not happening in real life and that someone was thinking or having a dream. We really can't go back to that route. Just a few weeks back, I was so excited and happy that Omthembu are finally happy and everything is behind them now. And I think I'm talking on behalf of everyone when saying that Mabusi's suicidal sins are not relevant anymore. The producers really need to come up with something new and exciting, man. Or else Umkhoka is going to lose viewers. So guys, do comment in the comment section and share your thoughts with regard to this Friday's episode, because to me it's giving confusing vibes. So do comment in the comment section and let me know what did you think about the episode. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed content in this video, do like, subscribe and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.